What up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another video. So today I'm doing a little comparison between two audio control devices. The old one that I just took out my car and the new one that I have is called the AudioControl Matrix. I'm going to show y'all exactly what it is. Alright, here it goes right here. This is the AudioControl Matrix. This is the original one that came out of my car. And this right here is the brand new one, which is called the Matrix Plus. So I'm pretty sure some of y'all are wondering like, okay, well, what is a matrix? All right, so pretty much these are line drivers. So if you have a radio that only has, let's say, like a 2-volt preamp output, and you're not really enjoying your music in your car, well, this right here will help you out. It'll increase your line voltage to at least like 4 volts or maybe 5, depending on your amplifiers that you have. But here I have a comparison showing you, this is the old model right here. As you can see, all the inputs at the top, all the outputs come out at the bottom, and you see your little meters right here. And here are the gain controls. And here's the power button that lights up. And this is where the ground and power remote goes in right there. So comparing, looking at the new one, as you can see, the new one is much smaller. And it's a big redesign. I can tell you that much just by looking at them. Not only color-wise, but the size-wise. And you see the RCAs on this one here, like at the bottom and at the top. Now on the newer one, you see all of them are on the sides instead. And your meters are going from side to side. And there are your output levels right there compared to the old one, where you see everything is going downward in a different direction. So not only is it called the Matrix Plus, what makes it so different from this one right here is we have a remote control level output. Yes, that's right. A remote level control. And here's the book on this. Right here you see it's a 6-channel ultimate performance line driver. Now with this unit here, here's the optional remote level control right here. It's a ACR-1. Now I already have it installed in my car already, so it'll be a direct connection for me. But yes, this right here would definitely help out my sound big time. So I'm going to show you exactly what I took it out at in the car. Oh, I'm going to have to go around. So there's a little extra wiring that I got to do. I got to reroute the RCA cables. So it ain't going to be too much though. But yes, here's the spot where the old one came out at. See, I got RCAs just hanging right there. So with the new one, I got to reposition the RCAs. Pretty much, I'm going to have to run probably another extra set just in order to get it right. See, those are my amplifiers right there. See, that's old school false gate. That's a 4-channel. And this right here is a Scar Audio 350. It's a mono block, little baby mono block. It's good enough for what I want. I mean, I'm not trying to set no SPL records and all that there. I'm not competing anymore. So look, this is fine enough for me, something to listen to, little daily driver. So that is good, So yeah, I will be redoing this part here over so I can put my new one in. Get back over here. So yep. See if I can get this to focus in a little bit. There we go. So yep, like I said, here's the old one, and here's the new one. I can't wait to install this. Yes. Can't wait. Can't wait. Oh yeah, and another thing that's different too is like on the inside of this old one, they have some pin switches that you can change. They're very small. And this one here has the same, but they have some extra uh, selectors on this, the way you can actually change each channel how you want it. In other words, say like if you wanted this channel here, the input to go in here, and you wanted to control all three, you have to go inside and change the dip switches in there, in which you can run one signal and let it run all your amplifiers, or either run it independently. In other words, every channel have its own signal and go out that way. Now that's the way I'm gonna leave mine like that. Have my front, rear, and sub. Everything will have its own channel, its own signal, and it's gonna be going out. And that way I get to use my remote level control. That's what I like. Matter of fact, let me show y'all what that remote look like too. I don't know if y'all can see it or not down there. Let me turn this light on. There we go. All right, so here it is right here. This is that the ACR1 remote for that audio control. But I can tell you, I'm also kind of thinking about removing it from this spot right here. And I'm going to check and see how much space I have behind this right here. If it's enough space behind now, I can probably move this and mount it up here to where you'll only see a knob instead of then this whole case, you know? So that's a thought, you know? Like I said, I'm gonna have to check and see if there's enough space behind it. If it is, then I'm gonna do it. If not, then I'll just leave it right there. And this other remote, that's for my crossover right there. And over here, that's for my sub amplifier right there. So yes. So I have 3 knobs up in here. I know some people probably say, man, that's too much overkill. Hey, look, I like the levels that it perform at. So, hey, look, it does good for me. Can't complain. So, yes, that's the game plan. Like I said, changing this out and installing this bad boy right here. Look at it. Yes. So I'm going to get back with y'all once I get everything installed, and I'm going to show you how it look. So I'll check you later.
1 hour later.
What up, YouTube? Your boy is back. So the install is finally finished on my car, swapping out those processors. So I'm going to show y'all what I did. Right here is the old one. As you can see, I got it in the box. Now what I'm going to do also, I'm going to do a little comparison so y'all can see what the new one looked like installed on the board. Get around here. All right. So here we go. Here's the whole entire amp board all together. My old school false gate on that side. Scar Audio 350 D1. And here's the new Matrix. Right here installed. This is my new one. As you can see, everything pretty much got its own signal going. So you got the front, the rear, and the sub channels. Plus I got the remote knob hooked up also. So this is the newer one. And here's the old one. Big difference, big difference. As you can see, big difference. Because the old one is pretty much big and wide, but this one here, I mean, it's a nice little size, I mean, it fit right on the board perfect. And another thing about this unit here, so like a lot of y'all guys that doing the SPL vehicles, now with this unit right here, it's a couple tabs on the inside where you can open this, take this top off, and you'll see some tabs for each channel, and you can actually like set it up to where, say like you have one main input coming in right up here, and you can run, say like what, three amplifiers off of one side, pretty much set like if you were just doing SPL. Or vice versa, you can swap it back like me. I'm running mine just for daily use. So each channel has its own independent signal going in and out. But yeah, though, it definitely sounds good, though. I can't complain at all. It definitely sounds good. Give y'all another picture of the amp rack again. That's my sub box back there. I'm going to crank it up a little bit so y'all can just get a little taste of the bass. I ain't going to do it too loud. Bear with me for a minute, though. Let me get these stands all lined up. All right. Let's set them down. Give y'all a little bass action right fast. All right, y'all. Comment below. Tell me what y'all think. Hey, all I have in here is like I say, a Scar Audio 350 D.1, the 350 watt mono block. I don't know if y'all can see my subs or not. Hold on. See how bright it is in its trunk? Ooh, yeah. Well, I got that light up in here. But yeah, that's my sub box right there. 2 Q Power 12s in a ported box. My box is tuned to like 35 hertz, so it's not bad. It do what it do. So yes, I'm definitely satisfied with it. Hey, look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you also turn on that notification button. So when I drop a video, hey, you'll know it. So till then, hey, stay in touch with your boy, support your boy, and I'm out.